Hello everyone, welcome to Easy French once again. Well, to learn French step by step and in a very easy way, all you just need to do subscribe our channel. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the months of the year, and that is called les mois de l'année. You can see there are quite different spellings. January, that's janvier, janvier, janvier. February, that's called février, février. March, and that's mars, mars. April, that's called avril, avril. That's April. May, that's quite easy. It's May, May. That's like English. Now June, and it is called juin, juin. That's June. July, it's juillet, juillet. August, that's called août, août. That's August. September, and that's called septembre, septembre. You can see the spelling is all same, only the last er changed to re. And the same with October, that is octobre, octobre. November is called novembre, novembre. And December, that's called décembre, décembre. Now we'll do it all together. That is les mois de l'année, the months of the year. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, and the last, décembre. Well, I hope you understand all the months of the year. Well, that's all in this video, and to learn French step by step and in a very easy way, you just need to subscribe our channel Easy French. Of course, if you like the video, please click this like button, and if you click the bell button, you get all the notification about upcoming videos. Till then, take care, happy learning French.